okay, 3 times. And then now make a chain of 2, 1 and 2 and 3. You can make a 3 or you can make a 4, because when you make a 4 chains here, your petals look very larger than this, okay. So I just make a 3, and then now I'm going to make a slip stitch here like this. So this is a slip stitch pattern. Now into the next chain we're going to make a triple crochets, 1 and 2 here, triple crochets, and then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and then chain 1 and then chain 2. Now make a slip stitch into this here, make a slip stitch like this, just pull through all loops like this, and then you can see your sunflower is going to be ready. Oh, Amy, so Amy, I'm your bestie. Sorry, I didn't see your eye. I'm your bestie. I'm loving it. Oh, I have been watching your videos for the last 3 hours. Oh, really? Oh, thank you for subscribing my channel, Mura Heavy. Thank you. And then now you can see a chain of, you have to make a chain of 2, and then into this next stitches you have to make a triple crochets. These all are same pattern, okay. I'm just repeating the same pattern. If you want to learn, just watch my video carefully, okay. I just make a chain of 2, and then now into the next stitches make a triple crochets. If you want to make a triple crochet, you have to do like this. Grab your yarn 2 times, 1 and 2, and then into the next stitches here and here you have to insert your hook and then pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2 loops. So you can see here your patterns looks like this. So this into this second stitches you have to make a 2 times triple crochets. So I'm making another triple crochets, 1 and 2, and then here just go and then 2 times and then 2 times and 2 times. So you can see here your patterns looks like this. Oh, hi Zazie. Oh, nice to see you here again. And then chain of 3, and we are going to make here a slip stitch, and then you can do like this. Now we are going to make a triple crochet into the next chain, okay. Do like this. Oh, nice to see you live again. Thank you for coming, Jazzy. And grab your yarn 2 times, and then into the next stitches just here pull through 2 loops, again 2 loops, again 2 loops, and then chaining of 2, 1 and 2, and into the same stitches here. I hate Bosnia. Oh, and then make a slip stitch here into the same pattern, okay. Just make a slip stitch like this, and here you can see your sunflower is what. Fuck your mom. What kind of person he? Oh, thank you so much for using a rough word in my live stream. Your name is I am Gonal, okay. I'm gonna laugh at you, okay. So thank you so much for using the bad words. It's okay, no haters, all are lovers. Okay, chain of 2, 1 and 2, and then make a into the next stitches make a triple crochets, 1 and 2 here. Do you have moderator in your channel? No, I don't have. Do you want to be my okay, I will make you, okay. Let me make you moderator, Jazzy. can you